Hello guys, welcome to my channel Pure Entertainment. Finally wait is over. UG student for the UG student scholarship of study in India SII result is out. Many students got SII result and they are thinking what to do next after getting SII scholarship. Let's start with this topic. Today I am going to discuss about some important point after getting SII and चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Thank you very much guys for believing in my prediction. My prediction was it will be released in Wednesday to Friday, but happily it was released today, time of 2 p.m. nearly 2 p.m. And congratulations everyone who get the scholarship of SII and tuition fee waiver. There are many questions about that. My status is showing pending. What to do next? I didn't get offer letter from university. Don't worry guys, you will get your offer letter within 4 to 5 days. Your university are checking your whole document what you have uploaded in SII portal. After checking that document, they will send you offer letter in your email and in dashboard where you have to accept and reject your offer letter. If you accept your offer letter, your scholarship will be continue, and if you reject the offer letter, your scholarship will be the end. Yeah, many of students think that I got G1 scholarship, I got G2 scholarship, I got G3 scholarship. I really like G3 scholarship and I got G4 scholarship. Then what to do next? What is the chance of getting SII scholarship? Yes, there is chance of getting SII scholarship. If you have done good in your Pragati exam, and many even student left their scholarship, they didn't accept their scholarship, they reject their scholarship in first round counseling and in second round counseling, you will get SII scholarship if your luck is very good. If your luck is fantastic, sure you will upgrade from your tuition fee waiver G3, G4, sorry G3, G2, G1, SII scholarship. If your luck is good. After getting SII scholarship, university will contact you on your email. They will send you after many details of payment. You have to pay some amount of money like registration fee, insurance charge in some of the university, and some of the university only asks for a registration fee. And you have to pay the last year tuition fee and the accommodation fee and hostel fee. For the last year, you have to pay total amount, and you will get $30 to $100 every year from till 3 year. It will continue till 3 year, and you will get and your amount will directly transfer to the university. And third question is that, do you need visa? Yes, you need visa for traveling to India. If you are a candidate of Nepal, Bhutan, no need of getting visa, passport. But if you are out of these two countries, you sure need a passport, and you have to contact with the nearby embassy, Indian embassy. You have to go there, you have to submit your document, and they will issue your visa after, and you have to send them a copy of your SII scholarship mark sheet, and they will sure issue a visa. And after coming to India, you have to contact to the college. Don't worry guys, you will sure get SII scholarship. Your luck is good if you get tuition fee. And I would like to I am wishing all the best to all the SII scholarship holder from different part of the world. And if you have any query, please contact with me in my WhatsApp number or in Gmail. I'll sure answer your question, and just drop out a good comment for me. And please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching this. Bye bye, take care, see you in next video. And guys, next video is coming about the complex scholarship scheme, so don't miss out that video. That is very important video for every waiting complex result, every candidate who are waiting for their complex result.